Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Salesforce freelance jobs. First, focus on mastering key Salesforce skills like administration, development, or consulting. Obtain relevant certifications to validate your expertise and increase your marketability. Next, create a compelling portfolio that highlights your successful projects and client solutions. Finally, actively engage with the Salesforce community to build connections and discover opportunities. Once your foundation is solid, it's time to find work. Look for Salesforce-specific freelance platforms where clients actively seek talent. Don't forget general job boards and professional networking sites, as many companies post contract roles there. Consider directly contacting Salesforce consulting firms. They often need skilled freelancers for various projects. Persistence is key in your search. When you find a potential client, a strong pitch is crucial. Craft a clear and concise proposal that outlines your understanding of their needs and how you'll deliver solutions. Research market rates to set competitive pricing for your services, perhaps $75 to $150 per hour, depending on your expertise. Clearly communicate your value proposition and your methodical approach to project execution. After securing a project, focus on delivering exceptional results that consistently exceed client expectations. This builds trust and a strong reputation. Always ask for testimonials and referrals upon project completion. These are invaluable for attracting new clients. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Continuously update your skills to stay competitive and expand your service offerings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.